Now you all know I love garlic, so I got to show you how to cut it. Simple, easy, so you can do it at home too. So we have a regular garlic clove like this, and we're just going to take off a piece and cut the ends. We're going to do a couple at the same time. Couple ends like that. Take it, cut the ends, move that away, and then take the chef knife like this and just smash it. Smash it, smash it. You see how easy that comes off? Easy, huh? You don't need a garlic cutter that you purchase from the grocery store. Then you have your 2 pieces of garlic right here. We're going to take it and just take your chef knife and just cut, just like this. And we're mincing it. So simple. You can make it as big or small as you'd like. And we know how important it is to use garlic, fresh garlic in our recipes. You can do this easily at home. So this is a quick, simple tip on how to cut garlic. Thanks for watching.